Oh my goodness, whose car could that be? Mr. Corvette Teddy's. Hi, I'm Barbie. And we're gonna go spy on Teddy, who's shopping alone at Publix. Woo! Let's see. Shh, don't tell him. What are you doing? Are you supposed to be shopping?
Yeah, well, I need to take a cigarette. I got everything by the checkout card.
Fun soon.
Hmm?
How many carts do you have? Have a drink.
Sure.
2 carts.
I found it.
Okay.
I always put the cigarette butts in the tank.
What?
Big pop. I'm paid for it. Not it.
Huh? Do you have a lid for this? Do you have a lid for this?
What?
Do you have a lid for this?
Yeah.
It's gross here.
It's gross. It's not. Oh, it's a backpack. Cigarette butt.
Yeah. Sure it is. Yeah. Oh. Oh my gosh. Who's gonna push this one?
Okay, let's start with this. I need 10 of these, so I gotta draw 7.
You're getting 10? 10. It is gross.
Yeah.
What you got?
Okay. Well, I'm paid. That's it. Otherwise, I gotta pick that when I get home. It falls over. Alright. We want to start with probably this one there.
That part?
Yeah.